Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Up Move Nation. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jayden Chase. Another one that we go bring on another reasoning on the topic of current affairs. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through, but to find the reason insightful, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then put a like on the video. Now, let's get right into the reasoning. Now, Nation, Abigail Myrie has been located. The daughter of Buju Banton is alive and well, and in a series of shocking tweets, she has confirmed that the accusations made against Buju Banton and her father are very true. Is this an attempt by the state to take down Buju Banton? Now she said, and I quote, "How can I, my daddy's princess, be missing and he's so nonchalant about it? Not even one post on his IG page. Come on." She also stated that a bullshit stunt is what this is. Go on with una day, yeah? But just look at the evil. Victim speaks out. Victim missing. You know what happened to the victim next? Don't. We all know the story too well. Her brother also responded to the tweet saying, "Me and my sis talk every day and we talk today. God not sleep, but I know my sis not missing." That's a bullshit stunt. Now, Abigail did not stop there. She went as far to say, "If anything happens, you all know where to look. I am not missing. They are lying. My sister, Jayden, and my dad are doing this because I proved that he abused me and has been doing so for quite some time." Not clear if she was stating this was verbal or physical. And she said, "Not only to me, but everyone around him and them." And the other part of her statement is very, very chilling. Nation, she says they are doing this to trick the people because they want her dead. Now, this cannot be the Buju what the world know and respect. Has her Twitter been hacked? That statement though was very strong, saying that if she was missing though, why Buju not forward out and say anything about it? Now, where the law is concerned, if you're going to talk about legalities, unless an individual has gone missing for over 48 hours, a missing person report cannot be filed with any police station in any jurisdiction. Whether they are yard, in America, in Europe, this is the law. And it is the same for any age, unless we are dealing with infants and, toddlers, of which Abigail is not. So, if you're going to talk about legalities, but some would go as far as to say, before the story was given on social media, there was talk of her being missing, and it would have been past 48 hours now, to the point where a missing person's report could have been filed, and Buju could have taken to social media for expressing concern, saying that, as she said, him princess is missing. Now, we have to talk about this. Abigail Myrie and this situation that she's talking of now is not the first we have heard of abuse in the Myrie home. We remember when Marcus did forward out, and did I say it was a very similar situation. Even though in that situation, many of the fans, many of the people who chimed in and gave their couple cents on the situation, said that Marcus was very disrespectful to Buju Banton. And seeing that he was acting like a big man, Buju Banton treated him like a big man. Now, for the past couple of months, or some would say since his release, Buju Banton has been outspoken, gone as far as to challenge the state from time to time. And some would say there is a target on Buju Banton's back. Now, for celebrities, those with the platform to speak, when the system go after them, and almost the typical approach, which is police and charges, sometimes them just demonize your image in the news. And for world-renowned reggae superstar and outspoken revolutionary reggae artist to have his name attached to abuse against his youths. And also remember, Abigail is a female. And she's stating that Buju put hands on her. And of course, fans would say, well, this is a family situation. But think about it, she's not a child. And if she chose to file a report, with Buju being a convicted felon and opponent of the state, this would definitely be a serious situation. This is definitely turning into a situation that the Gargamel will definitely have to forward out publicly and address. Remember, him have endorsement deals, him have certain, contractual obligations. People will drop individuals from their deals and their endorsements for simple things like this, especially international brands. And as we know, Buju link with Jay-Z them. Through the linkage there, him have a endorsement deal with Supreme, other things on and off the books, and other things within the pipeline. Some things in a forward out it. And where international brands are concerned with movements like the Me Too movement, violence against women, all of that will just stop. They will just decide that this is not the right individual to associate our brand with. So, for celebrities, just having their names attached to stories like this can drastically affect their branding, their career, and their other endeavors overall. It's shocking. I am not going to say that a lie Abigail Maria tell. What could have motivated her? As she stated, her father's princess. What could have motivated her to forward out and just spread these vicious rumors against the Gargamel? But now go around, if a lie she tell and she just do this for attention, she wicked. If she just do this because of some form of cry for attention, Buju wasn't there at that point, or Buju did for buy this and not buy that, she wicked. But if this is found to be true, Jano, Buju talk to the people. Because reach a point now the people ask. The people want some clarification on what take place. What go on with the story of the altercation? Why is it that they must say she's missing? When she's clearly alive and well based on Twitter messages. No, her account could have been hacked. But family members are reply to the tweets. Have family members' accounts been hacked as well? The Myri family accounts and social media, have they all been hacked? We don't know. Highly unlikely though. I will know this for sure. Buju are definitely someone who is outspoken about his beliefs and thoughts on social media. Him not do it for money and him not do it for promote the music. Him do it just because he want to talk to the fans, and just express himself. This is definitely a situation of major importance. Whether it goes or not goes. Even if it not goes, just the facts of them have their name I talk about. Of course, I feel like Buju for forward out to come burn wicked, burn bad mind and make them know say, no, it not goes. If it happen, well, Buju need to come share theme side of the situation. If she chooses to pursue this as a legal matter though, will his admission of guilt with them forward live or make it now post? Because if the Gargamel ever forward out and say yes it goes on, this is why I'm doing it, then that would be an admission of guilt. And if she choose to pursue the legal route, then that would not be good. We are here a whole heap of artists name a call upon some whole heap of things. Tanya forward out, we are going Richie, but the Gargamel are definitely one of them name that we don't want to hear associated with certain type of scandal. Talk to me in the comment section. Right to the one called Jayden Chase. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But don't like the reason, and of course don't like the point of view. I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. Comment section up 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Yes, comment section on 24/7. It never lack yet. Abigail Myri has stated via Twitter that she is okay, alive and well, and no, not missing. She not running from her yard. She there at a place where she feels safe. And she has to think about it. How could she be missing without Buju Banton forwarding to social media and showing the world that yes, it is indeed true? You nego, talk to me. And to the reason again, stay tuned.